Yo, YouTubers, what's up, everyone? In this video, I'm here to tell y'all the 26 YouTube ideas. So, if I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube where they have done YouTube ideas. So where that is what I'm doing today, right now. Okay? So, for y'all people who are YouTubers, this will definitely help you out when y'all are out of ideas for YouTube. Like I was out of ideas for YouTube, and I had to look up YouTube ideas on YouTube. So yeah, so there I was going to do 100, but I came up with 26. So yeah, so so and it's on my phone on my Google Drive. See, okay, so you could do number 20. You could do how to. This is 26 to 1. You could do how-to videos like how to ride a hoverboard. I did a video of how to charge a hoverboard, but that was back in 2017, but YouTube deleted it, and I don't know why YouTube deleted it. I had like 50 subscribers at the time. Okay? Or how to YouTube videos like how to edit your videos, uh how to add end screens and whatnot. So yeah. Okay, 25, you could do gaming videos. You could do gaming videos. E.g. You could do Super Mario Odyssey. You could do walkthrough Super Mario Odyssey, Super Mario Galaxy, all of the video games. Okay. Number 24, you could do cooking videos. If you are a cooker and you want to teach someone how to cook, you could, like I put an example as chicken. You could teach someone how to cook chicken. They didn't know how to cook chicken. Number 23 is top 10s. I've done top 10s on my YouTube channel. An example would be top 10 reasons to be a YouTuber. Or top 10 or the top 10 Mario Kart Wii tracks. So yeah. Okay. Number 22 is routines. Okay, you could do school morning routines, night routine. You could do I don't know any more routines you could do. You could do 21. Number 21 is releases. I've done releases on my channel, but y'all seem to not care about that. But I've done releases. An example would be Call of Duty released today. Call of Duty didn't release today. I actually did that video on my YouTube channel. Number 20 is education. So you could teach your viewers how to do the distributive property. If y'all know how to do it. If y'all don't know how to do it, then I wouldn't do that if I was you. I've learned distributive property in 6th grade. So yeah. Number 19 is reviews. Like an example would be Nintendo Switch review. Like if you would like to tell people if you would like to tell people any of the reviews about the Nintendo Switch, then go ahead. Do that. Number 18 is unboxing. An example would be unboxing the Nintendo Switch. I actually did a video of that one back in 2018. So number 17 is house tour. Like you could show people around your house, in the garage, in your room, in the master bedroom, in the restroom, your siblings' room, the downstairs if y'all have stairs. the downstairs. Yeah. Number 16 is heads up. Like you could tell people, like an example would be heads up, no videos. Like I did some videos of heads up, no videos. And you could tell them when y'all will not be uploading. When you will not be uploading. If you are on vacation, if y'all are going to camp, see Camp Blessing, Texas. Love, acceptance, fun, children of God. I got this uh at Camp Blessing recently. Like in June. I got it in June. No, I got it in July. I don't know when I got it, but anyway. Number 15, you could do evolution videos, like evolution of Nintendo. I wouldn't recommend y'all doing that if y'all have to describe what Nintendo is about and how Nintendo evolved throughout the years. Okay, from 1889, I think. That was from 1889 through present. Y'all could tell them about Nintendo. Okay, number 14 is wedding. I did some wedding videos. Um, um, y'all could do dancing videos at a wedding. So yeah. Number 13 is braces. I did like a lot of braces videos and y'all seem to like those videos. Braces videos are very popular on YouTube and I would recommend y'all do that. I would if y'all got braces, the day y'all got braces, I would recommend y'all doing this. Y'all tell your viewers that I got braces today for the first time. Okay? Number 12 is year in review. Like I did 2 year in review videos. I had a 2018 year in review, but somehow it got deleted. I don't know why. But anyway, I did 2 year in review. I did a 2017 year in review, I think. Yeah, I did a 2017 and a 2019 year in review. Okay? So number 11 is thoughts and impressions. You could do what you think about the game and what you think about anything that you have. Example would be Super Smash Bros. Ultimate thoughts and impressions. I did a Super Mario Odyssey thoughts and impressions video, I think. Yeah, I did that one. And yeah. So yeah. Let me do something. Okay. I'm done. Okay. Number 10 is Easter eggs. I don't think these are popular on YouTube, but like you could do Easter eggs in a video game or a movie. Like an example would be this is a video game, Crash Bandicoot Insane Trilogy Easter eggs. So yeah. Number 9 is a room tour. That fits in with house tour. I did a room tour on my channel. Number 8 is challenges. You could do a Bean Boozled challenge and you could laugh at people who rose up in doing that. I can't have any jelly beans because I have braces. Okay? You could do pranks. Pranks are very popular on YouTube. Like you could do smoking a cigarette prank. Like you could do a I don't know, like like prank your mom or anyone by building a cigarette and pretending to smoke it. But don't buy it at the store. Just build it. I don't know how you would build it, but yeah. Number 6, song covers. Like you could do Anthem by Phil Wickham song cover. This is a Christian song. At the time I did number 6, I was listening to Anthem by Phil Wickham. That's a Christian song. Jesus, the anthem of my heart. That's the chorus. Okay. Number 5, you could do school advice, like how to get all A's in school or how to be successful in school. Do some school advice. Number 4, you could do reacting videos, like reacting to my old videos. That would be fun because people like reaction videos. Okay, number 3, you could do best of, like the best of your videos, like best of Christian music rocks me, best of me, on my YouTube channel. Number 2, you could do pros and cons videos. An example would be pros and cons of the Nintendo Switch. There are some pros and cons of the Nintendo Switch. And number 1, you could do remix. You could do Anthem by Phil Wickham remix. So, yeah, that's the 26 YouTube ideas for you. If this helped you, then like, comment, and subscribe. Please help me reach 300 subscribers. Okay? Bye.